Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to talk about birds. There are many types of animal in our world. Mammals such as zebras and blue whales, insects such as butterflies, reptiles such as chameleons, amphibians such as frogs, and fishes like all these colorful fishes. But today our topic is birds. So, what makes an animal a bird? All birds have feathers, like this peacock's feather, the macaw's feather, they are all very colorful. You can also identify birds by looking at their beaks. Golden eagle's beak helps it to hunt. They are expert hunters. Kingfisher's beak helps it to catch fish. Hummingbird's long beak helps it to suck nectar from the flowers. All birds hatch from eggs. There is the hen chicks, the eagle chicks, the ostrich chicks. They are all hatched from eggs. There are two types of birds, altricial birds and presocial birds. Chicks that remain in the nest and depend entirely on their parents for food, heat, and protection are called altricial birds. Presocial birds can walk, run, and swim after a few hours of hatching. They can find their food, but they are usually helped and protected by their parents. Now let me give a few examples of altricial birds. Black-necked monarch, hummingbird, woodpecker, and penguins are some examples of altricial birds. Now let us look at some presocial birds. Western grebe, red-crowned crane, and mute swans are examples of presocial birds. Now let us see some extraordinary birds. The chimney swift can sleep while it's flying. The bar-tailed godwits are super flyers. They can fly from Alaska all the way to New Zealand without even a single stop. That's a very long path. Ostrich is another very interesting bird. They cannot fly, but they have very strong legs. They can run very fast. And ostrich has such strong legs that they can kick a lion to death. They have the largest eyes of any land animal. Their eyeballs can be as big as a baseball. This is one of my favorite birds. Its name is Atlantic puffin. Their beak reminds people of clowns, so they are called the clowns of the sea or the sea parrot. They can fly, but they can dive and swim underwater very well. They can flap their wings 400 times in 1 minute. That's incredibly fast. They can carry more than 60 fishes in their beaks at a time. I acknowledge my sincere thanks to my parents for helping me create this presentation. I also thank Google and National Geographic for all these beautiful pictures. And last but not the least, I thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity to present these slides to you all. Thank you for your kind attention.